Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So stick around, it's a very short lesson and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a wolf eye. It's gonna be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So like I say on this channel, always stay art ready, always be prepared to draw, always have that in your mind. But yeah, let's go through it, okay, together. So I'm gonna go right here, and it's gonna have like a slight arc to it, okay? We're gonna pull up. Something like that, curve. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull down and around. I'm capping off the end of that eye. I'm going to actually find the circle part of the eye in there first, just to kind of make things easier on me. So right here I'm gonna go curve right here. It's like tucked in there. Go over here now, this part of the eye. Now the iris and the pupil there together. Gonna find a highlight over here, so I'm gonna draw a, looks like a bean shape there. Now I'm gonna draw another circle around this. Okay, almost the exact same pattern. We want the exact same thing. So it's gonna be slow. Let's draw slow and deliberate. There. Pull back over here. Line in. Kind of the inner eye. And then we're going to pull curve right there for that. Now we got some filling in to do. So right here, the center part, I'm gonna fill that in. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw anything and everything, I go over animals, I go over like Fortnite, I go over Godzilla, I go over lots of different stuff. You don't want to miss it. All of it is in this short, step-by-step format. So hit the subscribe, press the bell notification, because that stuff will let you know when I post. It's gonna give you a notification on your feed, right? So when you subscribe, it shows you videos on your feed. You know, you have like 30 different thumbnails of different videos. If you subscribe and click, you know, the feed, you click the bell notification, you're gonna see one of those 30 videos is gonna be a video from this channel, and you can learn to draw that day. It's always good. It's great to kind of, you know, push your ability in art. Even if you watch something, I'm gonna fill this black part in. Even if you watch something, it helps you out because you have it in your mind's eye, you're working it out. I think the worst thing is to kind of go like, let's just say it's a year from now and you're not better at art. That's like the worst feeling for me personally. It's good to kind of, again, keep these channels close to you by subbing to them, you know, kind of like watching them. I try to watch drawing every day, and I think it helps me, oddly enough, not more than drawing myself, but it kind of gets me in the mood to draw, and gets me in the right mindset, and again, it helps me work out issues where I'm like, oh, I gotta do this next time. So that's why watching stuff is so important. Almost like through osmosis, you get better. Line right there. And I'm gonna fill in this right here, okay? Totally fill it in. If you have any questions, let me know. I comment to everybody. If you say hi right now in the comments for the heck of it, like say right now, type right now in the comments, I will say hi back. Every single one of you, I will say hi back. Literally, I reply to every single comment. Test me, okay? Test me. Go to a bunch of random videos and say hi or what's up. I will reply to every one of them. Make it hard for me. All right, line right there. That's mostly it, but we want to make it obvious that this is a wolf eye, so I want to put a little bit of thin lines. See those thin lines right there? Coming from here, like he's like this eye is submerged in fur, right? There's fur around the eye, but don't make it look like eyelashes, right? It has to be kind of in this area here. It has to be like, right? Just good stuff. You can even draw kind of the furry portion around here as well. Halloween's coming. Hopefully you're excited. I am super, ultra, amazingly excited. I cannot wait for Halloween. So. Right on. And you can kind of keep going like that if you really want to make it obvious that this is a wolf eye. Something else that we can do, and we're going to do right now, is to kind of color in the eye. I'm going to use a yellow. Sometimes it's hard to see the yellow, but we're going to do it anyway. So just to see how that works. I'm going to color in flat with this Prismacolor marker. I talk about these markers on the website. Go check those out. Check it out on sketchingeasy.com. If you're trying to learn how to draw everything and anything, go to sketchingeasy.com. There's a bunch of different articles and a bunch of videos and many downloads that are going to help you learn to draw better, really, if that's your kind of goal. So definitely go do that as soon as you can. Dang, that yellow looks good. I like it a lot. And that's like a yellow, so it'll appear on the video. Sometimes when I put some videos up, it will not, it won't appear. I'm gonna color a brown here for that inner part because it's kind of like the inner part of his eye. As far, oh wait, that's not brown. Oops. The brown, and this one's gonna be a Copic marker I'm gonna use for the brown. And then again, you don't even have to color this. It's just I'm doing this because I think it's fun. I think it's chill to do. Hit the like, by the way, if you like wolf stuff. There's a wolf playlist, so I'll kind of guide you to that at that point. So go take a look at that wolf playlist. There's a lot of like cool stuff. But in general, though, you can find anything I'm on the playlist. Okay, there's a Godzilla playlist. There's a playlist on dinosaurs. There's a playlist on Jurassic Park dinosaurs, more realistic ones. There's a playlist on Godzilla fighting specifically. There's all of that stuff is in the playlist section, so go take a look at that because it's all in that library. So like I said, this is a large library on the internet, and yeah, thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and I want you to reach out to me and say hi, and also share the video if you want to help the channel out. That would be amazing. Please share the video. Thank you so much. See you next time.